Hello guys! Today I will show you how to make these fun brain cookies, and I really hope you have time to bake them for Halloween because they're super fun and kids love them. So I've made a lot. So let's start. We will need a lot of icing. So I made 2 batches of Wilton royal icing and added some corn syrup. So it won't be hard rock and will have a softer bite. Your favorite recipe will work, and I think it will be even smart to try them with rolled buttercream or with crusting buttercream, maybe next year. And also I have pre-colored the icing with pink, so we have a nice base. And you can see that I have some air bubbles. No worries, they will even work for this design. So let's start piping. Initially I've made quite a small hole, like around 5 mm, and tried to pipe a cookie. It's totally up to you how large you want your squiggles, so you can just experiment with it. They were taking forever and they weren't as bold as I wanted them, so I've made a bigger hole and tried again. This time I've got more like intestines, like colon look, not the brain, but it's totally fine, I love it. Let's talk about the piping itself. Some people find it difficult, so the rule of thumb is you make 3 squiggles one direction and then you turn. And then you make 2 or 3 and then you turn, and so on until you fill all the cookie. And if you missed some spots, you just pipe over and that's it. This is how they turned out, and now we need to wait when they dry. Few hours later and we are ready to make our blood. We will make a simple one with the corn syrup and food coloring. I wanted to cheat and make it with airbrush color, but it didn't work. Somehow my flamingo red color turned out very pinky, and it's not the color I'm going for. So see, it looks fine, but it's not what I want. So we start again. This time I'm using my tried and true food colors, Americolor Red and Americolor Royal Blue. You add a lot of red and just a tiny bit of blue. The blue is supposed to mimic the oxygen in our blood and make it more realistic. If you will go with just red, it will be just red. I'm trying it on the next cookie and this time it's too thick. I want it thinner, so I added some water and I want it to flow into all the brain folds. So much better, right? Look at this. So you can see I'm not just painting the cookie, I lowered my brush with a lot of mixture and then I tap it into all the folds. So there are places where it's darker and places where it's lighter. So basically our cookies are ready. This is the last step. If you want to pack them, you need to wait a few hours when the blood will dry. I want to note that even though these cookies are very easy to make, they might be quite hard to eat, but kids love them, maybe because of all the sugar. So let me know what you think. Are they disgusting or are they really fun? I used them for advertising. I packed them and added my QR code. So thank you for watching, I hope you will try them.